Exoplanets. Our solar system is not only planetary system in the Milky Way or in the universe. There are many Earth-like planets exist beyond our solar system, which is known as an exoplanets. Some of them are smaller than Earth and some are larger. The first detection of exoplanet was confirmed in 1992, and as of 2021, there are around 4,000 exoplanets are discovered. The closest exoplanet found is Proxima b, which is 4.2 light-years away from the Earth. Kepler Space Telescope played a major role in exoplanetary missions. Exoplanets can be detected using three methods: Doppler effect, eclipse, and bidirect imaging method. Doppler effect. A star with a planet will move in its own small orbit in response to the planet's gravity, and because of that, planet move toward the Earth or away from the Earth. This movement becomes the main reason to change in the radial velocity, and that leads to confirm the presence of planets. Second method is the transit method. In this method, when a planet passes in front of their parent star, the visual brightness of that star reduces according to the size of planet, and that drop in a photometry confirms that existence of the planet. The third one is a direct imaging method. This method is hard to detect exoplanets because planets are very faint compared to the star's glare, and because of that it is very hard to detect planet by using direct imaging method. It is easier to get an image when a star system is near to the Earth.